Good morning. It is mid-March and still snowy in Arkansas. I sure as hell don't understand it, but we're gonna fly some 3D. The wind's been really tough on me, but it's pretty dead right now, early morning. So here goes nothing with the Valley Hobby G202. Flying a 500 milliamp 3S battery. That's that G-Force 30 cell. Not that anyone really cares. I don't know why RC people always talk about what battery they use. I feel like most people know what battery to use. It says it right there with whatever model you buy. Although I haven't made a YouTube video in a second, I have been flying this plane a lot, so I wanted to show you guys some stuff. I'm cold as hell, haven't warmed up yet, so consider this my warm up. The plane hit me. As you can see, I'm getting a little more comfortable with her. Oh man, I crashed because the plane hit the ground. I was in a hover, but this grass right here screwed me up. I blame the grass, definitely not my flying abilities. Definitely not. Oh, there's that inverted elevator I kept crashing on, if you've been following along. Still is a little bit windy, not gonna lie. And it's only getting worse this week. I've really been struggling with the wind. This plane won't fly in much more than 5, 6. At least fly and be any fun. on to the next battery. I will mention I'm flying on a Spectrum DX6, Generation 3 transmitter, with 45% expo across the board. One last thing about batteries, these are my Gen Ace for the next two batteries you'll see, which are noticeably more poppy and last a bit longer than that G-Force battery, which nothing against G-Force, that's just an old battery, and these Gen Aces are fairly new. Go up high, nose over. I'm not even gonna say that I was attempting a flat spin because that would be embarrassing to admit. Let's try it again. I suck at any type of tumbling variation, guys. Let's try that again. I'm using too much stabilizer, I get that, but man, what's the right amount? Let's try non-inverted. I really haven't gotten these, and you guys are seeing it firsthand. Okay, that's better. A little bit of aileron correction. Couple rolling harriers. I've done better. My fingers are freaking cold. Here come the excuses. I also haven't been practicing on sim at all. Been super busy lately. That wind's taking her, huh? Wow, it's pretty light winds too. I mean, I get on the Weather Channel every day and just try to see what the wind's gonna be like. And man, lately it has just been like 11 miles an hour, gusts to 20 all day long. You can't fly in that. You just simply can't. Don't get me wrong, I've tried. But the plane just, I mean, it just stays in one place. A hover is not upright. It's straight forward and backwards into the wind. It's ridiculous. That new prop sounds nice. Grabbing it from the bottom. Let's check the battery. We're over 5 minutes of flying on this Gens Ace 450. You guys aren't gonna believe this. What is our battery percentage at? Oh, 16%. I thought it'd be a little more impressive than that, but these Gens Aces, they go forever, man. They are impressive little 3S batteries. Okay, this will be the last battery. We'll do a hot swap. Oh, look at me with my cold fingers fumbling around for you guys just because I don't want to edit the videos. Hot swap, here we go. Straight back in the air. Valley Hobby, Giles 202. Last flight. Look at the wind changing directions too. It was coming from my right earlier. Holy crap. That second parachute was not straight where I wanted it to be. I do like that, like the double waterfall. That's fun. See if I can't do it inverted. Nice. Ugly, but I caught it. I like this plane, man. Best 40 bucks I ever spent. That's right, Facebook Marketplace, 40 bucks. I don't know if I've ever mentioned that. Hence me flying it like a freaking maniac and learning a lot while I do it. This plane has helped me tremendously. Some knife edge stuff. Ugly. Cool little torque roll out. Nice waterfall. Man, this plane is a riot. Gotta love a 3D foamy, y'all. If you don't have one, go get one. Man, I'm screwing up. I keep hitting the rudder against the ground and then you got no rudder authority. Try not to break my freaking new prop. We've only got like another minute maybe. It's just gonna send it in the cold. These batteries don't do too well. Luckily, I've gotten comfortable to the point where I just sort of know if the battery's good or bad. Or, you know, not good or bad, but look at that. I went backwards for a second. Oh man, I'm gonna kill myself over here. This is a close call. When I put the camera on, all types of shit starts happening. I bet my buddy Jonathan can confirm that. Oh, come here, you little bugger. Oh my God. Probably the worst flying in the last 2 weeks, and just when I turned the camera on. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed me being an idiot. I hope you don't care too much that I'm over here crashing a plane into the ground. It's 40 bucks. There's not a soul in sight within about 400 yards of me each way. This is Evan Ponton signing out.